Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about the design Ticketmaster. The question is, design Ticketmaster is an online platform that allows users to, how do you say this word? Buy, right? Purchase tickets from concerts, sports event, theater, and other live entertainment has over than 100 million DAU. Okay. So it's kind of like if you want to go to like NBA, you can buy some tickets from this way. So this is kind of like an app for that, buying the tickets. Let's start from the requirements. The first functional requirement is this app can book tickets and view an event and search for event. And for the non-functional, that is very basic one, right? It's more like even you go to the hotel to order some room, is also do the same thing. The business logic behind that, I would say, is very quite similar. And for the non-functional requirements, we have low latency search and the strong consistent for booking the tickets and high available for search and view events. And the read is larger than the write. Because more customers were reading that, just only a few customers will really place the order. And the scalability to handle search from the popular event. Okay, so like very superstars, Justin Bieber, they will encounter so many people want to buy that ticket. And for the out of scope, we're not talking this design. Okay, let's come into the entity. So we have the like in the database, we have need event and also performer ticket, right? Who is the singer ticket? Some information about this. And also for the second one means the locations. Venue. It's a venue. So there's an API for the matching for the function requirement. The first one, book tickets, right? We need to post, reserve, right? Buy the tokens, who book the ticket and ticket ID, and like this one. And also we can change, right? Do some confirm, do some like pay for money. Are you ready? Really want to this one? So kind of like this put API here. And for another thing is the view an event, right? View an event is kind of like get an event. And then we also have the search for the event. We also can get and search, and based on the user's input something, input the name, location, then it will search. So I will modify this by the in order would be better for the this book. Then this is the get event, search the specific view an event, and search the event. And now is the match for the order for the functional requirement. So let's go to the high-level design for here. So for high-level designs, I will satisfy the functional requirements first. So for the first one is view an event. I will say the client, right, is we're sending the API to get an event, and then it will go to the API gateway, and the gateway will routing to the like event servers, CRUD servers, and it also has the database. Like database, this is a database schema. We have the event ID, location, who is performed, right, tickets and name, description, and a lot of detailed information inside the database, and then return back to the client. And for the second one is called search for event. So same here, like client sending the search for the specific event, right? And then we will go to here to search and select based on what the user has input some name, and based on those informations, we can get the database, get the specific event from the database, and then return back. So this is the second one. And the third one is book tickets, right? So clients want to place the order, and also will call the API to the gateway, and the gateway will routing to the box server, and reserve the ticket first, and it will like update like a specific ticket, like status, whether they are booked or not, right? And also to protect the tickets, current now ticket. I have a ticket, I want to order it, and it will create the reserve, like draft order first, and then I will need to like a tickets log to make sure current tickets not booked by other people, and then it will return back to the client to say, oh, do you want to confirm? Are you double check really want to pay for this? And then when the client's sending, like maybe they have the document signed or need to confirm something, and client say, yeah, I need to confirm. Then it will go back to the API gateway, and it will go to the booking and do the money payment processing, and everything successfully, it will return back to the client. Oh, current now is successfully. And I also update the database here, like status equal to book successfully. So this is high-level design. Now we look into the deep dive for the non-function requirements. So the first one is called the low latency search. So based on the database, it has so many things inside. So the searching, we need to improve the performance. So we can use like Elasticsearch to improve based on some algorithms to improve the speed. So this is one way to do that. So based on they have a lot of index, and it's kind of like just a very technology to improve the searching speed. And for here, right, every time the database got a little change, we can use like CDC pattern, which means change data captures. So what is CDC? It's a pattern that captures database change, insert, update, delete, and stream them to other system, and often implemented by the monitoring the database write-ahead log. So integrate a lot of things can improve the low latency. Now, second thing is strong consistency from book tickets and high available for searching and view the events. And for here, as this one is called ticket log, can solve this problem to protect specific tickets. Just have only one people booking that, and no other people to competing do that. And so we can use like a time TTL to make sure give the specific client just have few seconds, few minutes to make sure it will not too much long. And then if they are not confirmed or not do anything, it will move to other clients. Okay, so what about the reading larger than the write? So when the reading, we kind of like for here service, we can, normally it's will reading from the database. So we can add the Redis from here to get information more quicker. So we can return back. And also, yeah, for this one, okay. And for the scalability to handle search from the popular event like Justin Bieber something here, we can integrate like a virtual waiting queue to make sure the booking here can handle. But we can also use like a Kafka here to improve like specific ways, like event streaming too heavy. Then it will do this order by order, so it can handle very popular thing. Yeah, so this is the high level idea about the design Ticketmaster. Thank you.